How to make ground turkey chili. Add oil to your pan. Make sure it's nice and hot. Add your ground turkey. And you're going to want to season that. Here I added some salt. Give it a quick stir. Pepper, chili powder, jalapeno powder, and garlic powder. Now you're going to want to add your onion and give that another quick stir. Now you're going to want to add your tomatoes and beans. I use different beans depending on what I have. Here I have black beans and kidney beans. I also like to add pineapple if I have it. I think it gives it a nice sweetness without having to add any additional sugar. The good thing about chili is you can pretty much add whatever into it and it still tastes good. Chicken broth. I don't really measure how much chicken broth I put in there. I just kind of eyeball it. I pour enough to cover the top of the chili. You're going to want to simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, and add a 1/4 cup of any kind of tomato sauce. Here I have pizza sauce because that's what I had. And as the chili cooks down, it evaporates, so I just add chicken broth as needed. You're going to add your chili spice mixture. I have a video on that. I added 3 tablespoons here, but I think it probably could have used 4. Liquid smoke I add because I feel like it gives it a nice smoky flavor. And you're going to want to simmer for another 40 minutes, stirring occasionally. And you're done. Add a little bit of cheese, and voila!